Hey everyone, welcome back to the podcast. Today's episode is going to be a bit different. It's all about rebuilding and finding new opportunities no matter what life throws at you.
That's right. I think we can all agree that life has its way of shifting things around. But the key, Carl, is learning how to adapt and turn challenges into opportunities. What's been the most significant part of your journey so far?
Well, the health scare definitely shook me. Losing the ability to speak clearly, it was scary. But it's also been a huge motivator for me. It pushed me to find a way to still communicate my thoughts and skills with the world. And AI has been such a game changer.
I bet. It's amazing how technology can open doors, especially for someone looking to rebuild. So, what's your advice for someone who's in the middle of a life reset? Where do they even begin?
Start with one thing, just one. It could be learning a simple digital skill like using AI tools or even just setting up an online profile. The first step is often the hardest, but once you get moving, the rest starts to follow.
That makes sense. It's not about a big leap. It's about those small, consistent steps. And I think a lot of people, especially midlifers, might feel like it's too late to learn new skills, right?
Exactly. But that's the thing, I believe age doesn't matter. It's never too late to find your superpower. We all have something unique to offer. Maybe it's teaching something you love or solving problems with AI. It's about finding your niche and making it work for you.
So, let's talk about AI for a second. For someone new to the world of artificial intelligence, what are some easy ways to start integrating it into their life?
Great question. I'd say start with something simple. There are AI tools that can help you with things like writing, organizing tasks, even creating art. You don't need to be a tech expert to get started. Just pick a tool, play around with it, and see where it fits into your daily life.
That's a solid approach. And I love how you're showing people that AI doesn't have to be intimidating. It's a tool, not a threat.
Exactly. It's about empowerment. AI isn't here to take over, it's here to amplify what we already do. And for people who might feel stuck or unsure, this could be a way to break free from that.
That's huge. Now, let's shift gears a little bit. For those who might be starting from scratch, or even those who just feel a little off track, how do you keep your motivation going when things get tough?
It's all about remembering why you're doing it. For me, it's about purpose, knowing that I still have something to contribute. That belief fuels me. So I'd say find your why, even on the hard days, and break things down into manageable steps so it doesn't feel overwhelming.
Such a good point. Sometimes the big picture can be paralyzing, but taking small, actionable steps makes it much more manageable.
Absolutely. And at the end of the day, we're all rebuilding, and that's okay. Life's a journey, not a race.
Couldn't have said it better myself. And hey, if anyone listening feels like they're not sure where to start, remember, you're not alone. The power to rebuild is within all of us.
100%. So take that first step, find your superpower, and let's rebuild together. Thanks for joining us today, folks. Keep at it, one step at a time.
And if you're feeling inspired, drop us a message. We'd love to hear what steps you're taking to rebuild. Until next time, keep going strong. Keep